Artificial Intelligence. Lesson 9. Robots and their uses. Robots are automatically operated machines that work in place of humans. It is not necessary that they look like humans by appearance, no, they may perform exactly like humans. Robotics is a branch of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction and functioning of robots. Definition of robots. A robot is a type of automated machine that can execute specific tasks with little or no human intervention and with speed and precision. Tech fact. The world's first industrial robot was brought to life in the US in 1962. THR-3. Like real-world human avatar, THR-3 is a humanoid that mimics the movement of its human operator. This humanoid has improved and natural walkability. Sophia. Sophia is the first humanoid to receive citizenship of a country. Perhaps the most recognizable face of humanoid, who was developed by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics and was activated on 14 February 2016. Digit. Ford became the first owner to deploy Digit humanoid into a factory setting. Ford now envisions that Digit will ride in a driverless car and deliver packages to customers, automating the whole delivery process. Tech fact. In 2016, David Hanson created a humanoid named Sophia. RoboThespian. RoboThespian is an actor that comes with a library of impressions, greetings, songs and gestures. Several of these can be added together to become a robotic theater. Robier. Robier is a high-tech teddy designed to lift elderly patients from a bed into a wheelchair. Now, the biggest bank of Japan, Tokyo Mitsubishi UFJ, has employed Now to help people answer their question on how to open bank account, etc. It speaks and understands Japanese, English and Chinese. Z Machines. Developed in Japan, Z Machines, a music band. It has a guitarist with 78 fingers and a drummer with 22 arms. Leica. Leica is developed for social needs children. It helps them to better understand social and visual signs. It responds with positive images and sound like smiling face. Molly Robotic Kitchen. If you are not a fan of cooking, this is the right robot to own. This robot is claimed to have skills of master chef. It would learn new recipes, cook for you and clear up afterwards. Aeolus. It is a general-purpose consumer robot. It is designed to help in your household chores. Paro. Paro is a talking robot that is used to therapy. Its appearance is similar to a baby harp seal. Root. Root is a robot with the objective of helping you learn coding. It can be operated from a whiteboard or on a flat surface with the help of a magnet. Zenbo. Zenbo is a low-cost robot capable of rolling around freely. It can understand verbal commands. Dast and Dot. Dast and Dot are a pair or robot friends. Dash is bigger one with wheels and Dot is smaller one. Dash is full of character and drives around making noises and shining lights. Robots in various places. Since technological advancements, there are many areas where robots are being used. Education, healthcare and many such areas where robots are successfully implemented. Usually robots are assigned to specific tasks, so let us now understand different fields where robots are used. Security and surveillance. Robots are being deployed as security guards to protect humans. These robotic security guards work in real time and have actionable intelligence. They can help with crimes like armed robberies, domestic violence, fraud, hit and run cases, etc. Flyability is world's first collision-tolerant flying robot which can fly safely close to people. Manufacturing. The manufacturing industries are using robots for different purposes. Since 1960, robotic arms which are capable to perform multiple tasks such as welding, cutting, lifting, sorting, etc. are used in factories. Unimate was the first robot joined the assembly line in 1961. Arc welding was a robot welding machine brought to use in 1980s. Material handling robots are used to move, pack and select products. Military. In military, robots have achieved remarkable success. Aerial vehicles like Predator drone are able to launch missiles at ground target without a pilot. These robots are also capable of taking surveillance photographs. Mars looks like a tank and it contains tear gas and lasers to confuse enemies. Another robot Dogo has camera to spy on the activities of the enemy. The biggest advantages are they don't get tired, whatever the weather is or time they don't need shelter or sleep. Customer service. Human-like robots are used in the fields of customer services. Nadine, a humanoid robot in Singapore can recognize people from the database of their previous visits. It can shake hands, make eye contact and can indulge in familiar chat based on previous visit. Junko Chihira in Japan works in the Tourist Information Center. Odaiba, another humanoid, works in Tokyo's shopping center. Cooking. Chef robots can cook complete meals for you. They are power-packed with hundreds of recipes. You just need to choose the recipe, provide necessary ingredients for it, and then they cook by their own. Moli is one such master chef robot. Motoman SDA-5 is a culinarily savvy robot. Sujumo Sushi Chef prepares Japanese food. QI Rungwan can slice noodles from piece of dough and toss them into boiling water. Healthcare. Surgical robots help doctors in performing surgery in healthcare field. They are also used as prosthetic limbs. Some of the humanoids can be a good companion to the recovering patients with serious illness. Da Vinci is a complete surgical system which performs complex surgeries with great skills of heart, head, neck and other sensitive areas. Space exploration. NASA has made a number of robotic devices to support or substitute astronauts to perform high-risk tasks. Darpa is a humanoid robot that can function like humans. Currently, R1 and R2 are working as Robonaut. Robonaut 2 or R2 was the first humanoid robot sent to space as a part of STS-133 mission. Rasa, pronounced as Razor, is a lunar. Spidernaut is a robot constructed for maintenance and repair projects in space. Entertainment. In entertainment industries, robots are proving to be a great help in managing the cameras, providing special effects, performing stunts in an action movie, etc. An industrial robot continually sprayed Tony Stark with a fire extinguisher in the movie Iron Man. Camera operations. In Gravity Move was done with the help of robots. Robots are assisting movie directors in the filmmaking process. Theme parks like Disney World are also using autonomous robots to enhance the magical experience of their customers. Agriculture. Agriculture is a seasonal sector and it depends a lot on season, ideal weather conditions, optimal soil, etc. There are a number of repetitive tasks that can be done by robots to save human time and efforts. Merlin Robot is a milk bot and is widely used in UK farms for milking. RV100 is designed to transport potted plants in greenhouse settings and outdoor. Thorvald is an autonomous modular multipurpose agricultural robot. Root AI is a tomato picking robot. Underwater research. The main objective of underwater research is primarily on a safer and cleaner future for our oceans. Underwater robots are being helpful in bringing ecological balance in ocean. Humanoid robots will soon replace human divers in carrying out deep or dangerous ocean research and engineering tasks. Shipwreck robots search the wrecked ships like Titanic, etc. Deep Trekker drone is controlled by a videolink handset that can be operated from the surface or by a diver in the water. Knowledge Zone, the quadrupedal military robot, Cheetah, an evolution of Big Dog, was clocked as the world's fastest-legged robot in 2012, beating records set by an mid-bipedal robot in 1989. The robotic underwater glider Scarlet Knight crossed the Atlantic over the course of several months in 2009.